and the representative staff of NTV have the pleasure of cutting this tape to symbolize the opening of this waiting shed. I want to thank you for thinking about the shed, because it means that you saw the suffering of our patients here. Maybe they used to sit in the shade, in the tent. They used to be loitering around here, and you saw the need. And you shouldn't think so much to say maybe we should have contributed to a bunker, or we should have built something big, because we know Sister Teresa said, in giving, what matters is not how much you give, but the heart you put to the giving. So I want to thank you for that heart, because I know every Ugandan, when you have money, for that money to leave your pocket, you really think twice. This morning, I read the team, including Jackson, to the Minister of Finance. And we didn't even spend 5 minutes. The Secretary of the Treasury said, just go, sign the contract. I've given you the money. And he built the bunker. Yeah. So that happening on this same day when we are remembering Rose Nankabirwa and opening this tent, I thought I should mention it. So now, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to build the bunker. Yeah.
There is only two things in this whole thing. First of all, what legacy do you leave after you've gone? Because we are doing this, because of Rosemary. But it also shows you that now, when my turn comes, what will people think about me? Will I just go just like that? So it is something that keeps us thinking. That should actually, make you think that after I've gone, what will people think about me? What will they even remember me after just a week? Or they will say good riddance. Now, that's number one. And then number two is that it shows you the power of what we can be able to do together. Because the government, won't give us all these things. We will complain and complain and complain, nothing's going to come out. But it shows you that I think when we put our hands together and put resources together, we can be able slowly by slowly, begin constructing some of these things and
Mpulira bulungi era neebaza Mukama kubanga kiraga omutima omulungi abantu bwe balina ku mwana oyo ne mu famire yaffe, kiraga omutima omulungi NTV gwerina kubanga si buli muntu nti bamujjukira nti lw'okuba yakola nabo, ate n'okuba obwesimbu ne ssente ne bazitereka ennaku zino nga bwe biri ne bazitereka ne bazikolamu ekintu ekiyamba community ng'ekyo, kiyamba abantu ba bulijjo.
NTV yeebale nnyo, ebalire ddala okukola omulimu gw'amaanyi okutuzimbira ng'ekizimbe ng'ekyo, kituyamba ku nkuba ku musana n'okwebakamu ekirosebo.
Nsanyuka nnyo nga tulabye ekizimbe ekyo ne batugamba aba NTV be bakizimba, ne kitusanyusa kubanga enkuba yalinga etukuba nga tubeera ku mbalaza okwo nga munda temutumala, eddwaliro ttono, abalwadde bangi nnyo.
Maama, owulira otya olw'ekirabo NTV kyewadde abalwadde b'e Mulago aba kansa obazimbira ekizimbe ekifaanana bwe kityo?
Mpulira essanyu lingi nnyo, tubeebaza okutuzimbira kuba aba kansa tubonyeebonye nnyo. Ffe twajja ku Lwakutaano naye tusula bweru, enkuba etukuba, empewo efuuwa abalwadde, tetufiibwako, naye tuba tusanyuse nnyo okulaba nti mutuzimbidde ekizimbe ekyo mwe tugenda otandika okubeera.